Tonight, the storm is gone, but snowplows, they're still keeping busy. Our 18 News reporter Sharif D. King has more on how snowplow drivers are preventing car accidents and injuries. Good evening, Sharif.
After our latest snowstorm locally, snow companies are busy cleaning up roadways, parking lots of businesses, shopping areas, and roads in the Twin Tiers to ensure safety throughout the winter. Here's how snowplowers are keeping the roads and walkways clear and layered with salt for your protection. As snowstorms come and go and people get to their normal lives again, attending shopping locations and eateries, it's important to stay safe on the road and even while parking. Choosing the right parking spaces can keep you out of harm's way.
The best option is definitely to find one that isn't, and if you see the snow contractors actively working, just to try to stay out of our way a little bit. You know, we are going forward and backwards and turning a lot and trying to get that snow cleared as fast as possible. You know, everybody's trying to be safe. We're definitely checking our surroundings, but it definitely helps out if we can completely clear the whole area.
Local snowplow companies are doing their best to cover the walkways of parking lots with salt to make sure no accidents occur during the trip to a restaurant or store of your choice.
A lot of times, sometimes the salt's not going to always cover every square foot of the whole entire parking lot or the area that you're trying to service. So it's important that you're double checking, spot treating as necessary.
They clear out all the areas and stop signs where people walk to prevent anyone from slipping and falling.
People are walking in between signs and in between ballards and stuff like that, so we always want to try to get the snow cleared out around the bottoms of those.
While everyone is shoveling to maintain a clean walkway, the expectation is to make sure you're not making a bigger pile for your neighbor or the snowplow drivers, and most importantly, you don't want to put anyone at risk of getting hurt as they come and go.
You want to use some common sense and only shovel as much snow as you are capable of. Make sure you push the snow on your property. Don't push it into the roadway or someone else's property.
As more snowstorms make their way to the Twin Tiers, maintaining the clear walkway and making sure you remove piles of snow from your residence and parking spots will serve you and your neighbor well. Paying closer attention to where you park and being alert when snowplow drivers are active can also help you to stay safe when you're out and about. Shoveling and snow blowing is great to indulge in. However, it is imperative that you prevent safety hazards from being created while doing so. Live in the studio, Sharif D. King, 18 News. Back to you, Kevin.